Ramcharan, let us wait for a few minutes. Others will join. Huh? Did you complete all questions? Ramcharan, did you complete all the questions?
No, sir.
No. How many questions did you complete?
I have completed that calculus big PDF you given now, sir. I
That's
completed
good.
that one, sir.
Okay. Even intermediate value theorem, mean value theorem.
Did you complete that tangent, sir? Tangent and equation.
You completed the equation of tangent line. Is
I
it?
didn't complete the equation of tangent, sir.
Then what you completed?
Up to the before class homework completed, sir.
Okay. Please work harder. If you do all this, you'll easily get 5 out of 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in those?
No, sir.
Okay, man. You're able to do all questions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mrinal. What works did you do, Mrinal?
సార్ మీరు డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ వర్క్షీట్లో ఇచ్చిన సెకండ్ థర్డ్ పార్ట్ చేసా ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ 48 క్వశ్చన్స్ అది ఇంకా చేయలే
అది ఏపీ క్యాలిక్యులస్ బుక్ లో
అది ఇంకా చేయలేదు సార్ ఇది మీరు ఇచ్చిన వర్క్షీటే చూసా ఫస్ట్
అవునా సరే ఒక్క నిమిషం కొంచెం ఎఫర్ట్స్ పెట్టాలి ఇంకొంచెం ఖాళీ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇంగ్లీష్ క్లాస్ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ నుంచి మొదలు పెట్టేస్తుంది నాకు కొంచెం ఏంటంటే నాకు మినిమం ఇద్దరు లేకపోతే అసలు వర్కౌట్ అవ్వదు అది
అవును సార్ ఆల్రెడీ 1 వీక్ ముందు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారన్నారు కదా
నో
మా
ప్రాబ్లం
పేరెంట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ అడుగుతున్నారు అందుకే
చేద్దాం నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ క్లాస్ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఈవినింగ్ ఉంటుంది టైమింగ్ కూడా చెప్తాను లోకేష్ జాయిన్ అవుతాను ఒక్క నిమిషం 1 minute విల్ స్టార్ట్ లోకేష్ Lokesh. Okay, I'll start here. We can't waste our time. I'll start if you want. Just one second. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Please confirm if you can see it, but please complete your work. Unless until you complete work, no, difficult to get good scores. Complete the work, check the answers. If you have any doubts, most welcome. You can discuss anything with me. Even physics, chemistry also you can discuss, but I would like to restrict to calculus. You can discuss anything. Happily, we can do anything, but learn the subject because you'll definitely go to top universities. If you don't have subject, no, you'll struggle there. Yeah. Now, I'm sharing my screen. My loss of qualifications. So, I think he might not join today. I don't know. If he joins, I'll just share the link with him. So last class, I'm speaking about Minal. Tell me what is mean value theorem. Without seeing your notes, please tell me your mean value theorem.
There exists C in A to B where f dash of C is equals to f of B minus f of A by B minus A.
So what is the meaning of it?
There exists a f dash of C when C
Okay.
is between.
Formula is okay. What is the meaning of it? What is the meaning of what you have been studying? What you said.
ఒక f dash of x లో C ఉంటది, దానికి వాల్యూ ఒకటి ఉంటది, ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది అది.
Instantaneous. So average value is definitely equal to instantaneous value of the function at any one particular. A की B की मध्य average value ఎంత ఉంటుందో ఆ వాల్యూకి డెఫినెట్ గా ఒక ఇన్స్టంటేనియస్ వాల్యూస్ ఎఫ్ డాష్ సి కూడా ఉంటుంది. అది మనం చెప్తాం అన్నమాట మీన్ వాల్యూ థియరం. ఓకే.
ఎస్ సార్.
వాట్ ఇస్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ వాల్యూ థియరం స్టేట్స్ రామ్ చరణ్?
సార్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ కంటిన్యూస్ అయితే అదే క్లోజ్డ్ ఇంటర్వెల్ ఏ టు బి లో కంటిన్యూస్ అయితే ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు కేఎస్.
ఫంక్షన్ కనుక కంటిన్యూస్ అయితే ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ బి వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ చేయి. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ 10 అయ్యి ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ బి సపోజ్ 30 అనుకుంటే 10 to 30 మధ్యలో ఏ నెంబర్ తీసుకున్నా, ఇఫ్ కే లైస్ బిట్వీన్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ అండ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ బి, డెఫినెట్లీ దేర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ వన్ సి బిట్వీన్ ఏ అండ్ బి సచ్ దట్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ సి ఈక్వల్ టు కే. అంతేనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay. So now today I'll do all these mean value theorem questions with you. I don't know, since you said you did not do all the questions, you might get stuck. We'll do one by one. I think we already 13th question. Please solve this 18th question now and tell me answer. Please solve. I'll also solve. I'll give you just 2-3 minutes. Solve. If you can do good, if not, I'll solve and show it to you. But solve the questions. You should tell me answer fast. You have only 2.5 minutes because maximum time in exam per question is 2.5. So we need to restrict time to 2.5. Eighteenth question. First we'll do 18th question. Then we'll do third question. Completely focus. I'll do all the questions with you now. Completely focus on solving the questions.
Is it D?
So Brunal says D is the answer. You tell me your answer, Ram Charan.
Doing, sir.
Mrinal, please do next question also, Mrinal. Third question also. I'll just do all the questions today, all mean value theorem, all the theorems, so that you'll not have any issues. Definitely mean value theorem, intermediate value theorem, if you are perfect, 3 marks, even 6 marks can come, but definitely 3 marks are in your pocket. Based on mean value theorem and intermediate value theorem. Minimum.
సార్ ఒకసారి 18th క్వశ్చన్ చెప్తారా సార్?
Okay, sir.
3
So,
none of the above, sir.
ఒకసారి 18 చూద్దాం మృణాల్. ఇక్కడికి వద్దాం. సో ఇప్పుడు 18 చూస్తే రామ్ చరణ్, వాట్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది, అది there exists a number c in the interval pi by 2 to 3 by 2 that satisfies the conclusion of, so pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 a function continuous, so everything, all the conditions are differentiable in open interval, continuous in closed interval, అన్ని కండిషన్స్ సాటిస్ఫై అవుతున్నాయి అంట. అప్పుడు వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ సి అంత అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో మీన్ వాల్యూ థియరం కనుక సాటిస్ఫై అయితే మనకు తెలుసు ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, ఎఫ్ డాష్ సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ బి మైనస్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ బై బి మైనస్ ఏ. ఇది ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ sin x by 2. So f dash x 1 by 2 cos x by 2. F dash c 1 by 2 cos c by 2. So f dash x is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So f dash c is equal to f of bmo 3 pi by 2. Yeah, a is pi by 2. A is pi by 2 by 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 2. F dash of c. So f dash of x is 1 by 2 cos x by 2. So f dash of c is 1 by 2 cos c by 2. F of 3 pi by 2. So f of x is sin of x by 2. So f of 3 pi by 2 is sin 3 pi by 4. Sin 135 is sin 90 plus 45, which is cos 45, which is 1 by root 2, minus f of 5 by 2 is sin 5 by 4, which is 1 by root 2 by pi. So 0. So cos c by 2 is 0. Therefore c by 2 should be equal to pi by 2. Therefore c should be equal to pi. In that interval, I am calculating only between pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Pi is the answer. So D for Delhi. Mrunal, you said D only, right? Answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mrunal, good. Next.
Third, the none of the above.
So, you understand or no? So, Ramcharan, అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది సార్, క్యాల్కులేషన్ మిస్టేక్ చేశాను.
అవునా? ఓకే ఓకే. నా థర్డ్ వన్ చేయ ఒకసారి. ఈ లోపల నువ్వు మృణాల్ నువ్వు 26 చేసి చూపించినావు మృణాల్. Function f is continuous
Okay,
in
sir.
closed interval and has an values in the given table. The equation must have at least one solution in the interval 0 to 2 if k is equal to, okay. కొంచెం నేను మంచి హోంవర్క్ ఇస్తాను, కంప్లీట్ చేసుకోండి. హోంవర్క్ అంతా కంప్లీట్ చేసుకుని మీకు డెఫినెట్ గా 5 వస్తాయి. క్యాలిక్యులస్ లో 5 అంటే 10 to 12 క్రెడిట్స్, మినిమం 10 lakhs సేవ్ అవుతుంది మీ పేరెంట్స్. మంచి ఆప్షన్ ఇది. థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ చేయి నువ్వు రామ్ చరణ్, నువ్వు మృణాల్, నువ్వేమో ఇచ్చేయి దిస్ వన్.
సార్ బి.
నీకేమో బి వచ్చింది, నీకేమో ఈ వచ్చింది. చరణ్ బి ఎలా వచ్చింది చెప్పు నాకు చరణ్.
సార్
ఆ,
ఎక్స్ కోఆర్డినేట్ వరకు 0 ఇంకా 4 తీసుకుంటే y
ఆ.
రూట్ ఎక్స్ ని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తే 1/2 రూట్ ఎక్స్ వస్తుంది సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్ చరణ్, రామ్ చరణ్ వెరీ గుడ్. 1/2 రూట్ ఎక్స్ వచ్చింది ఈ సైడ్. ఓకే.
అప్పుడు 1/2 రూట్ సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 4 మైనస్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 0/4 - 0.
ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 4 కరెక్ట్. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 4 మైనస్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 0/4 - 0.
అది ఎక్స్ కోఆర్డినేట్ సార్. అది 1 వచ్చింది సార్. అది బి.
సో C1 వస్తుంది. C1 అయితే అంటే X1 వచ్చింది. సో Y కూడా ఏమొస్తుంది?
1 వస్తుంది.
1,1 నెంబర్. నీకు నన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ ఎలా వచ్చిందో చూసుకో ఒకసారి.
అంటే సార్ y డాష్ 1/2 రూట్ ఎక్స్
అవును.
ఇక్కడ 0 to 4 మధ్యలో ఉండాలి.
1/2 రైట్. 0 to 4 మధ్యలో ఉండి X. ఏది 0 to 4 మధ్యలో ఉండాలి? అవును, X వాల్యూ.
మనం 1/2 రూట్ ఎక్స్ ఇక్కడ ఏది పెట్టినా
1/2 రైట్ ఏమవ్వాలి? ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ బి మైనస్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ A/B మైనస్ A అవ్వాలి కదా.
ఎస్ సార్.
జాగ్రత్త. కొంచెం నాకు ఇప్పుడు 26 క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పండి. ఇలా ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ చేయించుకొచ్చాను క్లాస్ లో, నాకు అప్పుడు 200 గంటలు పడతాయి. అందుకే ఇప్పుడు ఇవాళ ఏంటంటే మళ్ళీ నేను ఫాస్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాను అనిపిస్తుంది. అంటే మీరు ఇంకా వర్క్ చేయలేదు కాబట్టి నేను వేస్ట్ అని మళ్ళీ అన్ని క్వశ్చన్ చేస్తున్నాను. నేను ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ చేయించవచ్చు కాకపోతే ఏంటంటే ఓకే డూ నా 26. ఆలోచించి చెప్పండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. లోకేష్ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళా? లోకేష్ రెడీ టు గో లోకేష్.
Sir, I had some power cuts, sir.
Power cut. Okay, okay. Yeah, please solve 26. Did you complete all the homework that I sent you?
Yes, sir.
All the homework, even yesterday
Left, sir.
yesterday 2 PDFs I sent, even those you completed,
No, sir, some is left.
complete those,
Okay, sir.
now, sorry. Try to give me answer for third question. Third question. Lokesh, you please solve third question. Tell me answer.
Yes, sir, solving.
You solved
1 minute, sir.
Mrinal and Ramcharan, you do 26th question.
So 26 చెప్తారా సార్?
26. You want me to tell? I'll tell you, Charan. Lokesh, what is the answer for third one? You are doing a?
Sir, not get, sir.
Okay. Mean value theorem అంటే ఏంటి Charan? ఏంటి Lokesh? What is mean value theorem? What did we discuss? Mean value theorem.
Answer.
Average value is equal to, that is f of b minus average value should be equal to instantaneous value. అదే కదా?
Yes, sir.
So mean value theorem guarantees there exists a special value. What are the coordinates? So f dash x ante 1/2 root c is equal to f of b ante f of 4 minus f of 0 by 4 minus 0. F of 4 ante root 4 minus root 0 by 4 minus 0. 1/2 root c is 1/2 c1. ఇక్కడ c అంటే x. x1 అయితే y కూడా 1 అవుతుంది. So 1, 1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So why I'm not teaching new topic is if I start teaching homework, I'll give a lot of homework. It will become burden. So I wanted to make sure that mean value theorem and interval theorem, most of the students get stuck. Mrinal, Lokesh, you see 26th. Mrinal, you also see. Mrinal, could you please tell me answer for 26th question?
I'm still doing, sir.
Still doing. I'm giving 2 minutes, maximum 1 minute. Solve. If not, I'll explain it to you. Okay. So if you people can't do, please see here how simple is this. They gave 5 options. Definitely 3 can't be answered, even if you don't know, definitely 3 can answer, which must have at least 2 in the interval. So they're asking in the interval 0 and 2 can be answers because closed interval 0, 2. Now see, if I see the question, clearly I can see they're telling f is a continuous function in the closed interval 0 to 2 and has values that are given in the table above. The equation f of x is equal to 1 by
Sir,
2.
is it B? Hello?
Sorry, this is so
Sir, is
They're
it
telling
me
f of x
also?
is a continuous in the closed interval. They're not saying anything about differentiability. Since they're saying anything about differentiability, and as values that are given in the table above, the equation f of x is equal to 1 by 2 must have at least two solutions in the interval 0 to 2. So it is telling it should have at least two solutions in the interval 0 to 2. And so your function is present between 0 to 2, some function. You don't know which function. I just draw something that came to my mind. You would also draw whatever it comes. But f of x is equal to 1 by 2 is a line which is like this. So it should have at least two solutions. Here I can see one solution because it went from 1 to 2. Even this I can't guarantee. It should have two solutions. So definitely k should be 0. Why? Because if k is 0, at x is equal to 0, function value is 1, 1, 2, it will come to 0. Some point again from 0 to it will go to 2. So if when I draw f of x is equal to 1 by 2, definitely it will touch at 2 points. Calculus is more, not only calculus, any subject, physics, mechanics, E&M, chemistry, or economics, more of logic, more of common sense, more of real life application than by hearting something. So if you understand it carefully, since the function is continuous in the closed interval 0 to 2, if f of x is equal to 1 by 2, then definitely k should be 0. If k is equal to 0, then the function will come from 1 to 2. You might ask me, sir, why can't be k to be 1 by 2? If k is 1 by 2, it will come to 1 to 1 by 2 and it will go off. So I can assure you only one solution. But it's clear that it should touch 2 points. So since he's telling 2 points, definitely the k value should be 0. So simple. If k value is 0, function will come from 1 to 0. Again, it will go from 1 to 2. So when f of x is equal to 1 by 2, it will touch at 2 points. It will have at least two solutions. Touching means 2 points. So answer should be k should be equal to 0. Hope you understood. If you don't understand, please tell me. This is if they give an FRQ, you need to write according to intermediate value theorem. This is the question which is based on intermediate value theorem. Please see 81 question. You'll get similar questions. In exam, you'll get similar questions. Please write solutions neatly. If you want, I'll keep it back again here. Write the solution. Once you're done with solution, we'll do 81st question. But have 100% clarity on what you are doing. Yeah. Now, please do 81st question. Now, please see 81st. Yeah, answer. Lokesh, what is the answer, Lokesh?
Sir, I think it's C, sir.
Think you should get perfect answer. Just think once. Vranal, what is the answer? Mrinal, what is the answer? Ramcharan, what is the answer you want?
So doing.
Mrinal, are you there?
Yes, sir, doing.
Sir, B.
So Ramcharan says B and Lokesh says C, right?
Doing, sir. 1 minute.
Yes, sir,
Please,
C, I think C.
Pakka answer. What is intermediate? You need to Pakka give answer. Pakka, perfect answer.
Pakka.
Sir, C only, sir.
So Lokesh or Ramcharan? Who said C and D?
Lokesh, sir.
Ramcharan, please tell me how did you get B as the answer?
Sir, by taking f of b minus f of a, f of 6 minus f of minus 3 by 6 minus 3, 6 minus of minus 3, 4 by 9 will get, sir, f dash of c.
But when you should take that?
Wrong, sir, I did.
That is only for mean value theorem, right?
I thought
Not for intermediate value theorem, right?
I thought it's mean value theorems.
So intermediate value theorem. So intermediate value theorem says that if I have a function f of x, if it is continuous in the closed interval minus 3, 6, and the telling f of minus 3 is minus 1 and f of 6 is 3. So your function is minus 3 to 6. This is minus 1 and at 6 it is 3. So function, I don't know what happens, but it will go from here to here, 3. So then intermediate value theorem guarantees. What intermediate value theorem guarantees? Definitely if C lies between minus 3 to 6, if C lies, so if K lies between minus 1 to 3, definitely there is a value between C belongs to open interval C between minus 3 to 6 such that f of C is equal to K. That is what it guarantees, right? So if f of x is what is telling, f of x lies between minus 1 to 3 for all x between minus 3 and 6. Please everyone see this question once again and tell me answer. Please see this once again and tell me perfect answer. So C is not correct answer. Please see it once again and tell
D,
me
sir.
correct. So what it says? So
D.
minus 1 to 3. So in between minus 1 to 3, take any value. So if K lies between minus 1 to 3, such that X should lie between or C should lie between minus 3 to 6. So D and E both looks correct because f of C is 1, f of C is 0, both lying between minus 1 and 3. Definitely there will at least one C between minus 3 and 6, between not minus 1 and 3. So D for Delhi is correct answer. Please understand. If you don't understand, please ask me. This application of intermediate.
Sir, E is wrong.
Yeah, E is wrong. Definitely wrong. It should be minus 3 and 6. No. So
Yes,
D is
sir.
the one which is giving minus 3. It is giving minus 1 to 3. F of C is 0. F of C is 1 correct. But C will lie between minus 3 and 6. I can't say it lies between minus 1 and 6. It might lie or might not lie. But definitely between minus 3 and 6 it lies.
Yes, sir.
Everyone should give me correct answer. Yeah? Next question. Everyone should give me correct answer and perfect answer. Both 16th and 4. Exactly 3 minutes. Both the questions you should give me correct answer. Start. Ramcharan, did you get answer? What is the answer for 16th and 4th one?
Didn't got the answer, sir. Doing.
Did not get the answer. Lokesh, did you get the answer for 16th and 4th?
16th B, sir.
16th is B for Bangalore. Very good. 4th one, Mrinal. Sorry, 4th one, Lokesh.
Doing, sir.
Mrinal, what are the answers?
Sir, I think it's C. 16th is C.
Mrinal thinks 16th is C. 70, 4th one? Okay. Now please see. So if a function is continuous, this one answer is definitely these two are not continuous at 0. If you put 0, 1 by 0 is
Sir,
undefined.
C, sir. 16.
Yeah, 16 should be C. Definitely A and B are not even continuous functions.
C has vertical tangent, no, sir.
Yeah, C has vertical. I am explaining. Very good. So A and B are not even continuous. So if anyone marks A and B, I don't even allow. Because when you put 0, 0 for not defined, the function only is not defined. So function is not continuous. For a function to continuous, the value should definitely.
They said it's false, no, sir.
Amma?
They said
Yeah. First function should be continuous. No, if function is continuous, then it should be differentiable. But A and B are not only even continuous. So A and B are nonsense. They are not even satisfying our minimum requirement. If the function is continuous, then they are not differentiable. So these are not even continuous. So A and B, immediately by looking at them, we should cancel them. Now between these three, when I try to differentiate 1 by 3 x power minus 2 by 3. So when I try to put f dash x, I get infinity. The derivative, it has a vertical tangent. If you see this function, it will have like a vertical tangent, almost vertical tangent at x is equal to 0, or from this f dash x also you can make it out. This 4 by 3 x power 1 by 3, this has 0. X cube 3x square, this is also tangent, slope is 0 at 0. So these two have well defined and it is x power 1 by 3. So x less than 0 minus cube root of x, even if it is negative, it exists. So these two exist. Left hand derivative exists, right hand derivative exists, the value of the function exists. But for x power 1 by 3, x power minus 2 by 3, the value only does not exist. There's a clear hole or a vertical tangent here. So clearly the function has vertical tangent. So x power 1 by 3 is a big example for the function is continuous, but it is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. Now please see question number 4. Question number 4, don't take mean value theorem and intermediate value theorem light. They are good. Not only this, everything is good here. Please solve more and more questions. If a function is continuous in closed interval a comma b and it is differentiable in open interval a comma b, which of the following could be false? So since it is continuous and differentiable, mean value theorem says f dash t is equal to f of b minus f of b for some value between a and b. That is what is our mean value theorem. So 100% correct. If the function is continuous, definitely we can integrate the function. So E is correct. When I'm discussing integration, you'll understand. A and E by default, by blind, they are correct. And one more thing, last class I thought of explaining you extreme value theorem. I did not explain because you might get confused with so many theorems. What does extreme value theorem says is extreme value theorem. Keep it as extreme value theorem for 2 minutes. Yeah, this question is those other options are based on extreme value theorem. So please do keep betting as extreme value theorem. Extreme calculus 3 of you. There are many other students, almost 32 are there with me who are taking calculus. Different faculties are taking my faculties. If those students get 5 and me, my students don't get 5, I can't show my face to my faculties. Okay. So do work hard here. If you work hard and blindly follow what I'm saying, 100% you will get, easily you will get 5 out of 5, but you need to work hard. I expect more work from you. In those 32, some are very good at IIT, so those students will easily get because their concept will be very strong. Extreme value theorem. So if a function f of x is continuous in the closed interval a to b, then what we said, intermediate value theorem, what it says? If K lies between f of A to f of B, then there exists at least one C between A to B such that f of C is equal to K. This is our intermediate value theorem. Now, I'm saying about extreme value theorem. What is extreme value theorem is, suppose take a function, it is just extension of intermediate value theorem. Take a function f of x, assume the function is continuous in the closed interval a comma b. Then there exists a number c and d. Definitely there exist two numbers f and d such that f of c is less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to f of d. Means what the function is saying is, if a function is continuous, definitely there is a minimum value which is less than all the values of f of x. And definitely there is one maximum value which is greater than all the values of f of x. So it says if a function is continuous, definitely there exists a minimum value and there also exists maximum value. That is what extreme value theorem says. So what is other most important theorem? Extreme value theorem. What does it say? If your function is continuous, that's it. No other condition, no differentiability, nothing. That is only for mean value theorem. If a function is continuous in the closed interval a comma b, there exist two values c and d such that f of c is less than or equal to f of x, means there is a value c which is less than any value of the function, and there is a value which is greater than any value of the function. So f of c is less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to f of d, means f of c is minimum value and f of d is maximum value. Please write these values. So means if a function is continuous, definitely the function will have minimum value and definitely the function will have maximum value. Sometimes both minimum and maximum can be same. Suppose if I have a constant function like f of x is equal to 10, both minimum is, that is why I kept less than or equal to less than or equal to. There can be one case where both of them also can be equal. Now if we first write this extreme value theorem and write what all I said right now. You want me to write on the board? I am writing, see, extreme value theorem. Suppose if a function f of x is continuous in closed interval a comma b, then there exists, what exists? Two numbers c and d, where they exist, they lie in between a and b, such that f of c is less than or equal to f of x is less than or equal to f of d, means c is the minimum value and d is the maximum value. Please write this, most important. Everything is important. Intermediate value theorem is important. Extreme value theorem, mean value theorem. But intermediate value theorem and mean value theorem are most important. Those two are the intermediate value theorem and extreme value theorem are applications of continuity. Mean value theorem is application of differentiation. Please write this. Now come back to that option, whatever I said. If you see, since function is continuous, definitely for some x between a to b, f has a minimum value, and for some value between a and b, f has a maximum value. So both c and d are correct because f is a continuous. For some x between a and b, it will have minimum value, and it will also have maximum value. So definitely both c and d are correct. You can't guarantee f dash c is equal to 0. It can be or it cannot be. So which of the following, that is not must be, which of the following could be false. So for all these options, the only option which can be false is B. Remaining all 100% correct. This is according to mean value theorem. We should have so much clarity what I am speaking on. Oh, this is mean value theorem. This is integration definition, integral definition. If the function is continuous, you can integrate the function. These two are extreme value theorem. The moment you have so much clarity in your brain, easily you'll get 5 out of 5. And if possible, even yesterday also I'm speaking with many students, my previous students, So they're saying, if possible, if you have an option to get calculator, you can get it. If not, you can use Desmos calculator. We'll tell once we log into college board account there, if there is any option to take one mock test, we'll see there. Just give me some time. I'll do that also.
Sir,
Now, voice is not audible here, please. Hello? Lokesh, tell me, Lokesh. Voice is not audible, Lokesh. Speak loud, Lokesh. Yeah, Lokesh, tell me, Lokesh. Speak loud. I think you're speaking, we can't hear, Lokesh. Check your mic. Yeah.
Sir,
Tell me, yeah, now it is audible. Yeah.
sir, in the before question, why was it B option wrong, sir?
Okay. In the previous question, why was B option,
Sir, before that.
before this? Yeah. Why was
Sir,
B
above that one. C option, sir, C option.
this one, Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you see this function, they're telling f of -3 is -1 and f of 6 is 3. So how can you say f of x lies between -1 and 3? It can even be 0 to these values are -1. So if I try to draw this graph function, f of 3 is -1, it can go like this, like this, like this, like this. Finally, it can come to 3. It can have minimum value -5, maximum value 100, who knows in between. Okay, that is what is extreme value theorem says. Definitely there is a two values such that f of something c is less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to f of d. So they're telling extreme values are -1 and 3, function is continuous, and they're telling extreme values are -1 and 3. They're not telling extreme values are minimum and maximum location.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so since the extreme values are -1 and 3, the graph can be bindas. Till it comes 6, it can
Okay,
go to anywhere.
sir, these are the endpoint values, not the minimum and extreme
100%.
values.
No, the function is continuous in -3 and 6.
Yes, sir.
So these
Okay.
are not, that is what. See, the moment you do questions, right? I can do every question like this, discuss. But problem is, you cannot develop your skills and will not have so much time. Then I need minimum 200 to 300 hours to do all these questions in the book only. Okay? But this topic
Sir.
more theory, right? So I'm making you to do. So just listen to the. I have 100% clarity. You miss somewhere that clarity. If you can get back that clarity, you'll be so happy. Yes, today I learned some intermediate value theorem. I'm 100% clear with this. Mrinal and Ramcharan, do you understand what Lokesh is asking me and what I'm speaking? Mrinal and Ramcharan, do you understand what Lokesh has asked me and what I'm speaking? Unmute yourself, be fast. People are there or not? Okay. I don't want to waste time now. The next question I asked you to do. Yeah, 91 question. Please solve 91 question. Fast. Please solve question number 91. '91. Think, do perfectly and give me answer. Perfection is most important, huh? If a function is differentiable, it is automatically concluded that the function is
Continuous. It's continuous.
continuous in the closed interval. It is
Yes, sir.
automatically, you can take it for granted.
Yes.
They're saying which of the following must be true. So be careful. Which of the following must be true? Please be fast. You'll not have more than 2.5
Sir,
minutes.
one is correct only, sir.
No. Tell me final answer. Final
Okay.
answer. And everyone tell me final answer. Not one or two. Everyone should tell me final answer. Every one of you.
Sir, D option, sir. 1 and 3.
Lokesh, huh?
Yes, sir.
Lokesh says D. Mrinal and Ramcharan, give me your answer. Fast. Mrinal and Ramcharan should be fast.
Sir, can I explain how I did it?
Yeah, I'll ask you, Lokesh. Just give me 1 minute. I want answers from Ramcharan and Lokesh. Sorry, Mrinal. Mrinal and Lokesh, be fast and tell me answer.
Sir, I think they are not there.
They're there. Both of them are there. Ramcharan, are you there? Oh, they're not there. Mrinal, are you there?
Sir, there, sir.
Respond, yes, speaker. What is the answer? Mrinal, are you there?
Sir, can you tell that some, sir?
Amma?
అంటే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు సార్.
చేస్తాను. Mrinal? Yeah, I think he. Lokesh, you tell me your answer is wrong, Lokesh, but tell me how did you get your answer? Then I'll tell you where you are going wrong.
Sir,
Yeah.
at x equal to 2, it's going to be -5, sir.
At x is equal to 2, it is -5. Correct, Lokesh. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
So at x equal to 5, it should cross 0 at one point, sir. And then at f equal to 9, it should again cross, so it should reach -5.
Between 2 to 5 and 5 to 9, definitely.
Yes, so there should be 2 zeros at least.
Since the function is continuous, definitely there should be
Yes,
2
sir.
zeros. Very good,
Two
Lokesh.
zeros.
2 zeros. Very good. Next.
Sir, and then since it's always increasing, I didn't think there was going to be a horizontal tangent. So.
No, might be or might not be. Since the function is differentiable, now you put f dash is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a.
Okay, sir. We should use mean value theorem there. Okay.
Mean value theorem. So f of 2 and f of 9 are same. If I'm taking 9 and 2, these both the values are same. So f dash
Yes,
c equal to 0. So definitely there'll be 1 point, at least we have one. Definitely instantaneous value will be equal to average value, because the average value I'm getting 0. F of b minus f of a by b minus a, f of 9 by minus f of 2 by 9 minus 2, which is 7, I'm getting 0. So mean value theorem says, since the function is continuous and differentiable, the mean value theorem says definitely there exists one value between c equal to 2 to 9 such that, or c equal to 1 to 10 such that f dash c equal to 0.
So that represents a horizontal tangent.
Yeah, horizontal tangent means the line with slope 0.
Yes, sir.
Vertical tangent line with slope 0, f dash c is 0. So I'm getting F dash average value, I'm getting 0. So definitely instantaneous value also should be 0, means definitely I'll have one horizontal line anywhere, but
Yes,
between
sir.
1 and 10. So 2 should be 100% correct. Only option which is covering 1 and 2 is C and D. Yeah? Okay. Now let us see for 3 whether it is correct or wrong. Now if you see C lies between 2 to 5, minus 5 to 5. So since the function is continuous and the function is going from minus 5 to 5,
According to
definitely,
intermediate value theorem, we can say it's right.
according to intermediate value theorem, definitely there will be a value C such that f of C is equal to 3. Correct, right? And C can lie
Yes,
between
sir.
minus 2 and 5. See how valuable is it. But please do the work. Without doing work, right? Today, since I don't know why I thought, I think I have so much, 54 hours is too much for me. So I'm a bit fast. So I thought, but I can't do all these topics with you like this here. Huh? You need to do, you get
Okay,
stuck,
sir.
you need to ask me questions. Huh? Sincere efforts. Then the way I explain it to you, so me, by the time we come next class, complete all the differentiation work. I'll give you more questions because you need to be very good at differentiation. If you are very good at differentiation, easily you'll get 5 out of 5. But apply the logic and do mean value theorem, all these right detailed solutions because you are a student, you cannot remember. I'm very good at maths, physics, and chemistry. I'm good at all these 3 APs, including even IIT, but I can teach all 3 equally well. So I have practiced. I'm not great. Who practice will become perfect. So you are a student, so you need to do a lot of work to get things done. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Please work, solve all these questions once again and solve all the questions till here and the work that I gave it to you perfectly. Make a clean and neat notes. Okay, Ramcharan?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Mrinal,
sir.
are you there now? Mrinal, are you there? I think he's still not there. Okay, I have other class. I'll be leaving. Join by 5 o'clock on Tuesday, but complete all the work and come. Okay? If possible, I'll
Okay,
send you
sir.
more questions.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
See ya. Take care. Bye.